Welcome to Epic Space Models. In this episode, we will assemble the engine block of the BFR booster. Let's get started. The engine block is an assembly of three different parts. First, we have the 31 Raptor engines. These engines are identical to the one used on the spaceship. Next, we have the bottom part of the engine block, to which the engines are attached. Finally, we have the top part of the engine block, inside of which we will attach the control board. The reason why the top and bottom parts are designed as separate parts is to provide an easier access when wiring all the LEDs. Once all the parts are printed, we can start mounting the engines. They just snap at the rear of the mount plate, so they can be removed later at any time. Next, we insert the LEDs inside of the engines. Here again, the engines are designed so that the LEDs just snap at the top of the engine, so that they can be replaced easily if one burns out. We want to be careful to the orientation of the LEDs. The plus 5V line, the data line, and the neutral line should all be aligned along concentric cycles. A simple way to check this is to make sure that the arrows on the side of the connectors are all flowing in the same direction. The next step is to wire the LEDs. The plus 5V pads are wired to a common ring, and the same goes for the neutral pads. For the data pads, we wire the output pad of each LED to the input pad of the next LED, following the direction of the arrows. Finally, we connect the different rings together. The wire bundle is connected to the central engine. From here, the data line jumps to the inner ring, goes one full cycle, then jumps to the middle ring, goes one full cycle again, then jumps to the outer ring and goes one final full cycle. Now, let's hook the engines to the control board and test the lighting sequence. And finally, if you want something that makes you look less nerdy and more artistic, you can also do this. I should definitely try this during an exhibition. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we will assemble the grid feed mechanism and the interstage. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.